Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day everyone. Okay, welcome to our forum discussion entitled The Role of Occupational Safety and Health Regulation in Business Management and Occupational Safety and Health Up in Malaysia. Okay, my name is Amir bin Azman and I will be the moderator for today's discussion. Occupational safety and health, or OSHA, plays an important role in protecting employees from workplace hazard and ensuring a safe working environment. In this discussion, we will explore the importance of OSHA, legal requirement in business management, and discuss the key feature of OSHA in Malaysia. Now, I would like to invite our first panelist to explain the role of OSHA, legal requirement in business management.
Thank you, Ahmed, as a moderator. Okay, my name is Muhammad Farid bin Yahya. I will continue our discussion. First, operational safety and health or legal requirement are essential a safe and healthy workplace. First, following OSHA regulation reduce accident and injury. For example, in a construction site, scaffolding must be erected correctly. Worker must wear helmet and harness, and proper signage must be displayed. In manufacturing plant, employee working near machine or conveyor system are protected when safety procedures are followed. In chemical industry, proper handling of chemical under OSHA guidelines prevent burn or inhalation injury. For second, OSHA compliance improve employee productivity. Workers who feel safe can focus on their tasks without fear, reducing error and absence. For instance, in a food processing plant, employees wear protective equipment and follow SOP can work more effectively. A safe workplace also increases employee confidence and motivation, which contribute to more committed workforce. For third, adhering to OSHA law protect the organization from legal penalties, fines, and compensation claims. Companies that neglect safety may face lawsuit or temporary shutdown. In chemical or manufacturing industry, failing to follow safety protocol can result in financial losses. Compliance ensures long-term business sustainable and minimize disruption caused by workplace accident. Lastly, a strong safety culture enhances a company reputation. Employees feel valued, attracting skilled talent and improving retention. Clients and partners also prefer to work with organizations and prioritize safety. For example, a pharmaceutical company with strict safety standards gain credibility with both employee and regulation authorities. In conclusion, OSHA legal requirements are not only about safety but also about business sustainable, employee productivity, and organization reputation. By implementing OSHA effectively, companies create a safe, more effective, and responsible workplace. Can Amar explain the Occupational Safety Hub Act in Malaysia?
Thank you to Muhammad Faris. Today I would like like to talk and present about the Occupational Safety and Health 1994, commonly known as OSHA 1994, and is important in ensuring workplace safety and health in Malaysia. OSHA 1994 was introduced by Malaysian government to ensure the safety, health, welfare of workers. The Act is enforced by the Department of Occupational Safety and Health, or OSH, under the Ministry of Human Resources. It applies to various sectors such as manufacturing, construction, engineering, transportation, oil and gas, and service industries. The main objective of OSHA 1994 is to protect employees from workplace hazard and provide a safe and healthy working environment. In addition, the ACT Act aims to protect other individuals who may be affected by workplace activity, including contractor, visitor, and member of the public. One of the key concepts of OSHA 1994 is self-regulation. This means employees are responsible for identifying hazard, assessing risks, and implementing safety measures in their workplace. Organizations are encouraged to take proactive action to prevent accidents rather than relying solely on government inspection. Under OSHA 1994, employees have several important responsibilities. Firstly, they must provide a safe workspace and ensure the machinery, equipment, and facilities are safe to use. Secondly, employees must provide appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE, such as safety helmets, gloves, safety shoes, and goggles. Thirdly, they are required to provide adequate safety training so that employees understand workplace hazard and know how to perform their tasks safely. Employees are also responsible for establishing safe work procedures and conducting hazard identification and risk assessment. This activity help reduce workplace risks and prevent accidents before occur. Another important feature of OSHA 1994 is the establishment of safety and health committees. These committees encourage communication and cooperation between management and employees regarding workplace safety issues. Through regular meetings, potential hazards can be identified and appropriate corrective action can be taken. OSHA 1994 many benefits to organization. Firstly, it helps reduce workplace accident and injuries. Secondly, it improves employees' productivity because workers feel safer and more comfortable in their working environment. Thirdly, it reduces financial losses caused by accident, compensation claims, and legal penalties. However, organizations still face challenges in complying with OSHA 1994. These challenges include lack of safety awareness, inadequate training, financial constraints, and weak management commitment. Therefore, continuous improvement is necessary to ensure effective safety and health management. For my conclusion, OSHA 1994 plays its crucial role in protecting workers and promoting workplace safety and health in Malaysia. Through proper implementation of safety measures, training programs, and risk management practice, organizations can reduce workplace, improve productivity, and create a safer working for everyone. I have a question to Muhammad Ashraf. What are the silent features or key characteristics of OSHA 1994?
Thank you for asking, Aman. My name is Muhammad Ashraf, and good day for everyone. Firstly, OSHA emphasizes self-regulation. Employers are encouraged to identify hazard and manage risk proactively rather than waiting for accident to happen. This approach requires employees to continuously monitor workplace conditions, provide proper training, and implement safety measures to protect employees. For example, in a manufacturing factory, employees should regularly inspect machinery, ensure safety guard, install and train workers on safety operation procedure to reduce the risk of injuries. Secondly, is OSHA promote cooperation between employees and employee in training, workplace safety and health. Both parties share responsibility for creating a safe working environment. Employees must provide safe equipment for working conditions, while employees are expected to follow safety rules and report hazard. For instance, construction workers should wear personal protective equipment, which is PPE, such as helmet, safety boot, while employees must ensure that PPE is available and in good condition. Thirdly, is encourage workplace consultant through safety and health commitments. There's a commit platform for employee and employees to discuss safety issues, identify potential hazard, and propose solution. Regular meeting always allow workers to voice concern and contribute ideas for improving workplace safety. For example, if employee notice slippery floor in a warehouse, the committee can recommend better housekeeping parties for install anti-slip flooring to prevent accident. Another important feature is hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control hierarchy, which help prevent accident before they occur. Hazard identification involves recognize potential dangers in the workplace, while risk assessment evaluate the likelihood and safety and of harm. Risk control measure the implement to eliminate or minimize the risk. For example, in a chemical laboratory, hazard substance must be identified, the risk of export assessed, and appropriate control such as validation system, safety glove, and protective clothing provide the ensure workers' safety. OSHA also provide enforcement mechanisms through inspection and investigation conducted by the Department of Occupational Safety and Health, or DOSH. These features contribute creating a safer and healthier working environment to all employees.
Okay, thank you for all explanation. Okay, my opinion, additional perspective on OSHA in business management. Okay, I would like to share some additional point on the role of OSHA legal requirement in business management, focusing on the risk management and employee engagement. Okay, firstly, OSHA regulation help organizers identify and protective workplace hazard systematically. For example, in a chemical laboratory, conducting regular risk assessment help determine which processes are most dangerous, allowing the management to focus on high-risk tasks first. This protective approach prevents accidents before they happen and ensure resources are used efficiently. Okay, secondly, OSHA laws encourage employee participation in the safety initiative. Employees are often the first to notice potential hazard or unsafe practice. In construction project involving a worker in safety committers or regular toolbox, thus allow them to provide feedback and risk and solution, creating a culture of shared responsibility. Okay, thirdly, implementing OSHA effectively, reducing long-term cost. Favor accident mean favor medical claims, lowers downtime, and lower insurance premium. For example, in a manufacturing plant, introducing safety protocol for machine handling, reduce equipment damage, and keep production line running smoothly. Lastly, OSHA compliance support, organization, reputation, and client trust. Companies that maintain high safety standards demonstrate professional and responsibility. In industry like pharmacy or food processing, client and regulator are more confident working with firms that actively protect employees and follow legal safety requirements.
Yes.
Okay. OSHA legal requirement. In conclusion, OSHA legal requirement not only protect employees but also then rights management, employee engagement, cost efficiency, and then making it an essential aspect of responsible and sustainable business management. Okay, I would like to ask all panelists, why is OSHA becoming increasingly important in today's workplace?
I will give another point for our discussion. OSHA is very important in modern workplace because work environment are becoming more complex with advanced machine and automated system and digital technologies. Employees often operate near robotic arm, conveyor belt, and heavy machinery or chemical processes, which increase the risk of the accident in safety measurement are not properly implemented. For example, in a construction site, scaffolding must be safe installed and workers need to wear helmet and harness. In manufacturing plant, workers operating near automated machine or welding equipment are safer when protective equipment and standard operating procedure are followed. In chemical industry, proper handling of hazard substance prevent injury and environment contamination. Without proper OSHA compliance, workplace face higher risk, including injury, fatalities, production delay, legal penalty, and financial losses. Implementing OSHA regulation allow organizations to identify hazard, provide training, enforce safe practice, and reduce the risk, keeping workers safe and operations smooth. Beyond safety, OSHA compliance improve employee confidence, morale, and in productivity. Workers who feel protected perform their duties more efficiently and engage in workplace safe initiative. Companies that priorities OSHA and gain a better reputation, attract skilled talent, and maintain long-term operational sustainable. That's all for me.
I agree with you. In addition, employees have a legal responsibility to protect workers and ensure that the workers is safe, free from unnecessary hazard. Under the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994, employees are required to provide a safe working environment, adequate safety training, and proper supervision and suitable personal protective and equipment for their employees. Failure to comply with safety regulation can result in serious consequences for both employees and organization. Workplace accident may lead injuries, disabilities, or even fatalities. Besides affecting the workers and their families, accidents can also disrupt business operation and reduce productivity. Furthermore, organizations that fail to comply with OSHA requirements may face legal action, financial penalties, compensation claims, and damage to their corporate reputation. For example, if an accident occurs due to negligence or poor safety management, the company may be investigated by the Department of Occupational Safety and Health (DOSH) and could be fined or prosecuted. Therefore, employees should view workplace safety not only as a legal obligation but also as investment. By prioritizing safety and health, organizations can protect their employees, improve productivity, reduce accident-related costs, and create a positive working environment in the long term. Strong safety practice contribute to the sustainability of the organization. This all for me.
Thank you for Amar. Furthermore, a safety workplace improve employee satisfaction and organizational work performance. When employees feel safe and protected at work, they are more confident, motivated, and focused on their tasks. This leads to higher productivity, better work quality, and increased job satisfaction. A safe working environment also helps reduce workplace accident, injuries, and absences, allowing operating to run more smoothly and efficiently. Safety is not only a legal requirement but also a valuable business investment. Organizations that prioritize workplace safety can reduce costs associated with medical expense, compensation, claim, equipment damage, and production downtime. In addition, a strong safety culture enhances the company reputation, attracts skilled employee, and build trust among customers and stakeholders also. For example, companies that regularly provide safety training and maintain safe working conditions often experience fewer accidents and better overall performance. Therefore, investing in workplace safety benefit both employees and organization in the long term.
Okay. Thank you to all their valuable contribution. Okay, from today's discussion, we have learned that OSHA legal requirements play a significant role in business management by reducing workplace accident, improving productivity, ensuring legal compliance, and enhancing organizational reputation. We also discuss OSHA 1994 and its key features, including self-regulation, employer and employee responsibility, hazards management, and workplace safety committees. In conclusion, effective implementation of OSHA regulation is essential for creating a safe, healthy, and productive working environment. Thank you for everyone for listening. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.